So, in today's video, I'll show you how to edit and rename rooms on the MOVA Z60 Ultra map. As you can see, I have the map right here, and to edit or rename the rooms, you will need to click on this map editing button. Then, room partition is the thing that you can use in order to adjust room layout. Now you can see there is the map, and I just scanned one room on purpose, but you probably will have multiple rooms, like all of the rooms that you scanned here, and they typically divide themselves automatically, but sometimes you may want to split them even if they don't visually look like there are two different rooms. Or you may want to fix something if it was not so well divided. So let's try splitting this room. We'll create a line that I can now adjust in a certain way, like that, for example, and then approve. Now it'll split it into two rooms. Then I'll split one more time, so I can show you how to merge the rooms later. Now if I want to merge these two, I can click on merge, select both of them, and now they're merged back together. You can hide a room if you would like the robot not to go somewhere at all, or you could rename them. I'll click on the room first, then room rename, and I can, let's say it's a bathroom here, and yeah, I can rename it like that, or create a custom name there. You don't have to always hide rooms. There's also a way to set virtual walls, and there's a video about it if you don't know how to do it. But you can basically find no-go zones and virtual walls here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.